week 15. We made it to week 15, and this is going to be a great week because Laurel Denise just announced that their new 2025 to 2026 planners are coming out on Wednesday. So if you have been waiting for the next set of dated planners, this is your time to jump in and get what you want. I did see a little bit of a preview. Oh my God, they're so good. And check out the coming soon tab at laureldenise.com to see what's coming. I am really excited because there's some extras that I want to dive in and get, namely the new pen pouch. It's like a bigger pen pouch. I'll put a picture here. There's two different ones, but I kind of like the pink one. I think it'll really go well with what I have. And I've amassed more erasable pens and highlighters that there's not enough room in my pen pouch, this one, but they have bigger ones. And they also have this in other colors as well coming out. There's a weekly book bound, which I'll put here. It's sort of a cobalt blue, but I really like the inside and I like the size of it. And I'm thinking I may get that so that I could use that for my everyday work. And then this bigger horizontal will stay what I'm using it for, but I'll have another one for my kind of to-dos for the job that I have. And then what else? I'm looking right here on my notes. Oh, they have these really cool tab stickers. They're like circles. I'll put them right here. They just look like circles, but you can fold them over like little tabs in a journal or your planner or to save a spot. They're so cool. They're in patterns and then they have plain colors that are in their colorway. So I'm really loving those. And I think I would do the patterns because they kind of go and they're kind of fun. And then what else? Oh, there is a pop-up calendar that like stands up. So I'll put a picture of it here as well. It's really cool. And if you need to have a visible calendar that you can have on the counter it has a tab at the top that you can write in the to-dos or things that are going on as well. Really neat. Such a great idea and something that I never would have thought of, but it could be really good in our kitchen. So that's on my list too. So I have a bunch of things. And then there are some really fun stickers for the planners. So there are so many things that you can choose from. Check out the coming soon page and I'll link below a list of what I'm thinking about going and getting. And like I said, it launches on the 9th. And I'm looking at my calendar, remember, that is Wednesday. So Wednesday it launches, I think at 12 o'clock Eastern time. And then they're gonna have all the planners dated from July 2025 to June 2026. So you'll have those. And then they have the teacher ones. So if you're a teacher or you like that kind of layout or blocks for courses and classes like the school academic, those are also launching. So it's a really big launch and I'm so excited. But I am not going to get a new everyday planner because my goal is to use my horizontal for the whole year. So I'm not buying a new everyday planner for myself, but I may go for the book bound one because it looks really good and just the right size. So that is what's coming. I just wanted to preface what I was gonna do with that because I think if you've been following me for a while now and you realize you can't get a dated planner, this is your opportunity to get it. So definitely hop in, check out the different colorways because they will probably not be back until late fall for January dates. I'm new to this, so I'm pretty sure that's the way it works. Anyway, I want to show you what we're going to do for week 15 because I realized last week I didn't finish filling in some of the stickers, and when I got off and after I filmed I thought, oh my God, I totally forgot to do those. So let's do that together and then I'll come back and we'll wrap up everything that we've got moving forward for next week, what I learned this past week, and just the normal stuff. So let's turn this around. Let's get into planning. If you want to skip ahead, just skip to the next chapter and I'll meet you there. Here we are. This is what this past week looked like. I actually did get in and do the food, which I'm very happy about. And I don't have a ton of things going on because a lot of it is just work related. And so this is my other
everything else that I'm doing in my life, personal life and projects and all the things and social media. So this is not so crowded with a lot of to-dos, but enough that's going on that it's keeping me on track. And this is a fresh look at what we're going to be working on today. And then I don't know if you saw my video last week, but I kind of got into May. So I did lay down the header, the days of the week, and then just the washi, but I haven't done anything else in May. So I'm holding off. I have my stickies with things that are going on, and that's what we're doing for now. So let's get back. Let's get into our next week ahead. And I quickly wanted to show you that I'm using this letter pouch. It's a clear vinyl letter pouch. It has a zipper up here for my stickers. It's a little big because the stickers only come to, you know, like this, and it's obviously a lot bigger than the planner. But at least I can get in here. They're all in one place. I can find it. I can rifle through it and find things. I am looking for something smaller. I did go to Staples to find something, but they didn't have anything. So I'll keep looking, and if I find something that is smaller and a better size, I'll keep you posted. So I am going to add my stickers. I am going to plan out the week ahead. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing, and I'll speed it up and I won't be talking. So skip to the next chapter if you want to miss this.
That was week 15. It is really repetitive, but I love using the Planner Kate stickers and putting them in to the planner. I think they're so pretty, and it's fun that they're like every week is like it's kind of a different color. I just wanted to ask you one question. Do you have anything that you do in the back of your planner where there says notes? So if you come all the way to the back, there's these last like year ahead pages, and then there's some graph pages and some dot pages. As you know, I have a problem with all this blank space. I don't know what to do with these blank spaces. So if you have an idea of what to do with those, let me know. And then let me know what you are interested in for the new launch. I totally want to get the smaller itty bitty sticker notebook that has these little tiny ones in them. These are the ones I use the most, and I know it's kind of crazy to get another one because I already have this, but it's got the prettiest pink cover. The neutral one has the pretty pink cover, and I use those the most because I can use them all the way through my planner, and I want to start adding things in future months, so I think I'm going to use a lot of them up. So I want to get that. I love the royal blue book bound. I think let me look, what did it call it? It's the weekly. I think it's a vertical weekly, and really interested in using that and trying that out. I think I need tweezers, so that's on my list. And then the bigger pen pouch, because I have so many pens now. And you could also put washi tape in there. So I have like loose washi tape that I could put in there, but this, I don't think this would fit in there, but that's fine. And what else? I do like the pop-up as well. So I have a lot of things on my wish list. So don't forget, mark your calendar, go in there and check out the coming soon tab at laureldenise.com. I do have a note in here, and I don't know if you saw it when I was doing it, but the Planner Kate June The June stickers are releasing on Monday, which is today when this video goes up. So pop in there and see if there's ones in there that you want. I'm not an affiliate, but definitely check in there. I am an affiliate for Laurel Denise, so if you want to use my link and code, that's awesome. I would really appreciate it. And that's all I've got for week 15. Let me know what you're doing for all those pages in the way back of the planner, because I have no idea what to do with those. And I didn't even get to my brain dump at the last page. I'm not really using the tracker as usual. I need to start using that, because the whole point of that is to get better at doing things. And what else? I think that's all I've got today. So thank you so much for being with me for week 15. Hit the like and subscribe so you'll get notified when week 16 launches next week. And that's all I've got. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.